Hey everyone, today we have an exciting DIY project for you. We're diving into how to create a 3-degree of freedom robotic arm right here at the Avishkaar lab. Now, you might be thinking building a free moving robotic arm sounds complex, right? But trust me, by the end of the video you'll be able to put all of this together in your sleep because we'll be using Avishkaar's Robotics Advanced Kit to bring this arm to life. So let's dive into it without any further delay and uncover how to make it and how it works. Now let's connect 2.5 inches square plates to this. Let's connect two 7.5 inches L channels to this to make its base legs. Let's add a high torque motor to the base which will make the arm move left and right. And now let's construct a high torque gear system because the motor will need a lot of power to turn the heavy arm, and finally connect two 2.5 inches square plates to two 2.5 inches U-beams at the top, and that completes our base. Let's start by connecting a 2.5 inches square plate and two 2.5 inches L channels to a big wheel. Let's connect two more 2.5 inches square plates where we'll mount the gear system for the arm. Now let's attach a high torque motor and a small gear, and finally connect an axle in front of this. We'll ensure the arm does not fall below a certain level. Let's complete this section by connecting this to the base. What is degree of freedom? Before we move on, let's understand what degree of freedom means. In robotics, a degree of freedom refers to the number of independent ways a robot can move. Picture your arm. It has several joints. Let it move up and down and around. Each of these movements is a degree of freedom. The more degrees of freedom a robotic arm has, the more complex tasks it can perform. Now let's move on to building the arm and begin by connecting the 2.5 inch L channel to two medium gears, connecting one of these to a 2.5 inch square plate using a motor and an axle. Let's connect the other gear to the same 2.5 inch square plate. Now let's connect two 2.5 inch U-beams to this, which will complete the hand sub-assembly. Let's connect this to a 7.5 inch U-beam, completing the arm. And connect the arm to the midsection using a big spur gear using the axle 3-hole connector. Finally, let's connect the full 2.0 BLE brain to the bot and connect the motors to the brain. Let's start by turning on the full 2.0 BLE brain on the bot. Now let's turn on the Bluetooth on the mobile app and open the Avishkaar app and make an account. You'll need to register your kit before you can connect it to the brain. So ensure you do that before trying to control the bot. Let's go to the play section and connect the brain. And that's it. Now you'll be able to configure and control the movement of the bot. You might be wondering, where do we see this in real life? Well, industries use robotics arms with various degrees of freedom for all sorts of tasks. In car manufacturing, these robotics arms fine-tune car parts with precision. Hospitals brings in high DoF robotics arm to assist in complex surgeries. Even in space, they're like cosmic mechanics, maintaining the spacecraft. And there you have it, your very own 3-degree of freedom robotic arm. From building the base to understanding degrees of freedom and their industrial applications, we've covered it all. If you're as excited about DIY projects as I am, here's some great news. We've put together sets of Avishkaar kits that include all the components you've seen today and more. You have to remember, it's not just about assembling random components, it's about embarking on a journey of exploration, learning and creation. If you're eager to delve deeper into the realm of robotics and take your curiosity to the next level, you'll find more details in the description below. If you don't have Avishkaar's Robotic Advanced Kit yet, you can explore it through the link in the description. It's India's most advanced programmable robotics kit with 150 plus parts. It has all the tools you need. Control your robot using a fun mobile app and learn coding with visual blocks. It's ideal for discovering robotics, coding, construction, and mechanical design while enhancing creativity and problem-solving skills. Includes a printed manual and video tutorials for easy learning. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. If you want to see more projects like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Until next time.